Hello, good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Vasanta Kahadkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science, and late NP Commerce College, Armory. This video on introduction of syllabus and course outcomes of Botany, BSc, semester first, paper 2, plant diversity. It includes Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, and Paleobotany. The syllabus of this paper is divided into 4 units. So let us see the unit-wise syllabus and course outcomes. Unit first. In this unit, we are going to study the Bryophyta, general characteristics of bryophytes, habit, habitat, gametophytes, reproduction and sporophyte, adaptation to land habit, range of thallus organization, morphology and anatomy, classification as per G.M. Smith up to order, morphology, reproduction and life cycle of two genera, Riccia and Funaria, economic importance of Bryophyta. So this is the first unit. Course outcome of first unit. By the end of this unit, the student will understand the morphological diversity and economic importance of Bryophyta. Second course outcome, the student will understand the structure and reproduction of certain selected Bryophyta, Riccia and Funaria. Third course outcome of this unit, the student will understand the characters of Bryophyta and identify in the field. So these are the course outcomes of first unit. Unit 2, in this unit we are going to study the Pteridophyta group, the general characteristics of pteridophytes, habit, habitat, sporophyte and reproduction, classification of pteridophytes according to G.M. Smith up to classes, study of early land plants, Rhynia, its systematic position and morphology, morphology, anatomy, reproduction, and life cycle of Equisetum and Marsalia, types of steel, ecological and economical importance of Pteridophyta. So this is the second unit. Course outcome of second unit. By the end of this unit, the student will explain the classification of Pteridophyta. Second course outcome, the student will understand the external morphology, anatomy, and the reproduction of certain selected Pteridophyta, Equisetum and Marsalia. Third course outcome, the student will discuss the types of steel. Fourth course outcome, the student will understand the ecological and economic importance of pteridophyte. Now move toward the third unit. In this unit, we are going to study the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm is the non-flowering seeded plant. So in this unit, we are going to study the general characteristics of gymnosperm, habit, habitat, morphological feature of sporophyte, and the reproduction, classification of gymnosperms by K.R. Spohn up to the order with a suitable example, study of life cycle of Cycas and Pinus, economic importance of gymnosperm related to the food value, medicinal value, timber value, source of oil, industrial value, and ornamental value. Course outcome of this unit. By the end of this unit, the student will understand the characters of gymnosperm. Student will explain the classification of gymnosperm. Student will understand the external morphology and anatomy and reproduction of Cycas and Pinus. The student will explain the economic importance of gymnosperm. So these are the course outcome of this unit. Unit 4. In this unit, we are going to study the paleobotany, its definition, importance and significance, contribution of Indian paleobotanist Dr. Birbal Sahni, is also known as, he is also known as father of Indian paleobotany. The process of fossilization, types of fossil, impression, compression, and petrification. Fossil gymnosperm, Glossopteris, and Cycadioidea, its morphology and reproductive structure, geological time scale. So this is the fourth unit. Course outcomes of this unit. By the end of this unit, the student will understand the paleobotany and geological time scale. Second course outcomes, the student will understand the process of fossilization. Third course outcome, the student will identify the different types of fossil. And fourth course outcome, the student will understand fossil types in the field. So these are the course outcome of the fourth unit. Thank you.